Hey guys, I'm Sissel, but you can call me Shizzle. In today's video, I have created a poppin' music festival makeup look. So if you want to be rocking the festivals this year, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to Love's YouTube channel for more inspiration. The first product I'm gonna start with is a primer called Perfectitude. And I'm just gonna shake it first because I tried it before and it was very liquid. So shake it first, apply a little. I'm just gonna apply everywhere. I know you can't see I have anything on, but I feel it's very mattifying. And the reason I use a primer is because it covers my pores so I won't get any dirt or anything bad into my skin, so I'll have any breakouts. So primer's the way to go, especially for festivals when you're outside sweating like I am now. You use a primer, okay? The next step I'm gonna do is apply some foundation. I have chosen 2 different shades because it makes it look better on my skin. I couldn't find a specific color that looked great on me, and I have a tan right now, so it makes more sense sometimes to mix it. And this is the 18-hour long-lasting foundation, and I have the number 060 Golden Hour and number 020 Fair Dream. So I'm just gonna start mixing these 2. Apply it on my hand. There we go. I take the foundation brush, mix it, and just apply that everywhere. For the third step, I'm gonna use my concealer. I'm gonna be using this dual cover concealer and retoucher in number 010 Ivory Elegance. And this is how it looks. This concealer has 2 sides. It has like a stick concealer, and it also has like a liquid side to it. I personally like the liquid better, so I'm gonna start with that. And I'm just gonna apply it all over here to lighten up my face here, because I don't want any dark circles under my eye. Here we go. Next up, I'm gonna use some translucent loose powder, and this is the one. The reasoning for that is to make sure that you don't look wet or sweaty. The places in your face you don't want to look sweaty. You want that fresh skin look, and you won't get that if you're just wet everywhere. So I'll show you where I apply the powder. Here. And then right here with my nose, as you can see, it looks a little wet right now. It looks like it's sweaty, but I just use this, and as soon as you do that, it gives it a matte look, and that's what you want. The next step after the powder, I'm gonna take this Contourious kit. It's 4-in-1 contouring palette. Looks like so. And I'm gonna start doing that on my cheekbones to give like a more definition in my face, because right now I just have one color in my face and I need more dimension to create like a slicker and thinner look. Under my cheekbones, so just keep blending it into your hairline. And if you, like me, have a huge forehead, put some bronzer or some contouring up here just to make your forehead look a little smaller, so it's not like Rihanna huge. Sorry, Rihanna, but that's the truth. Down on the neck a little bit, blend it. Next step, I'm gonna use a bronzing powder. It's called Love's Blurring Bronzing Powder, and it's number 010 Central Caramel. This is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna apply the bronzing everywhere on top of my contouring, because it gives you that extra look, and you want always to be extra. All right, done with that. On to the next. I'm gonna take some blush and I'm gonna use this Blush Mint Blurring Blush in number 10, Be the Game Changer. Okay, I like these names. And we'll give it a go. I usually don't use blush that much, but it gives you a little bit more color and gives you a more natural look, even though it's not like that natural of a look. But a good trick is I always just, if you don't know how to apply the blush, I smile like this and I just take from the line out to my ear. Apply it like that for my cheeks. Just want to check how that looks. That's pretty nice. I like that. Next up, I'm gonna finish up my skin with some highlighter, because we all need some highlighter in our life, and the more the merrier. And I'm gonna use their holographic highlighter palette, which is this one. You can use for face and body, and it has some amazing colors. And I'm gonna start with the iridescent pink. I think that's how you say it. This one over here. And we're gonna apply the highlighter above the cheekbone, like right here. Yeah, you see that? Pop in and you just put as much as you want. You gotta be, like Rihanna said, shine bright like a diamond. I like this. All right, so I'm gonna use the pink here. I'm gonna use some of the other colors on my eyes, but I'll show you that later. So I just finished my whole face doing my skin so it looks fresh looking and popping like this highlighter. And next I'm gonna do my brows, eyes, and lips to finish up the look. So next I'm gonna do my brows, and for that I'm gonna use the Browitude palette, and I'm gonna use the Browitude pencil. And I'm gonna use the Browitude palette, and for the design I really love it, and it has like a golden look. And also this brow palette has these stencils, so I know a lot of my friends, they don't know how to do their brows. They ask me, and honestly this is so smart. You just pop it right there and you just draw after it. But yeah, I'm gonna start with this, with the brow pomade, just to fill it in a little bit, and then I'm gonna use the pencil to do a little like hair strokes. We'll give it a go. I'm just gonna draw along my own brows. Let's see how that goes here. Next, I'm gonna try the pencil. And I like this color. It's really good for blondes, like myself. Here you go. Here. But honestly, like with your brows, you don't need it to be perfect. They don't have to be identical. Like I went to a masterclass with Mario, the makeup artist of Kim Kardashian, and he said brows are not twins, they're sisters. So just keep that in mind and don't stress about it too much. And right now they look a little dark, so what you want to do is you want to apply this little thingy, because it's like blending your highlighter foundation. Once you use this in your hairs, it's gonna blend out the color so nice, so it looks more natural, so it doesn't look so drawn in and fake. Alright, now for the concealer around the brows. I'm gonna use the concealer again that I showed earlier. Just a little on my hand, like so. And you just do it until you're satisfied. There are not really any rules about this, but some like it very sharp, some don't. Like, it's all up to you. See, compared to this one over here, it's more rounded, and now this is more like sharp. And I like that. Again, they're not twins, they're sisters, and that's okay. So the next I'm gonna do my eyes, and I'm gonna use their palette Copper Eyeshadow Palette, and it has these nice colors inside. I'm gonna start with this base, like a white one, across my lid. So next I'm gonna use this brown one. It's still in the matte, no shimmery here. So I'm just gonna go in the crease of my eyes here. All right, I'm gonna correct now my eyeshadow so it has more of a straight line through it. And I'm gonna go to my under eye where I'm gonna use some more color to give it like a pop, so it has a little more festival vibe to it. Because right now it's a little more basic, but to make it a little more extra, I'm gonna add from their eyeshadow palette called ACID, and it has all these different colors, which I really love. I'm gonna use the green one up here because it's gonna match, like, because I have some green in my shirt and I have green eyes, so I thought, let's do that. And it's different and it's fun. And don't be afraid to go crazy because it is a festival, so, and everybody looks insane, trust me, I've been there. Some people just have so much makeup in their face with like drawings and just like everywhere. It looks really good. But if you're not like too comfortable wearing too much, like something like this just like adds that little extra festival vibe. I love this. And then next up, I'm gonna add the highlight I showed earlier. It had like a little greenish color to one of them. I thought that would match really well with this eyeshadow. So we're gonna do that, and that was the palette right here, one in the middle. I have a good feeling about this one. And always to make your eyes pop a little more, you put some highlighter or a light eyeshadow in here in the crease. Oh yes, there we go. See what I'm saying? Oh hell yes. I wish I was going to a festival now. Damn it. This looks so good. Okay. Then we're gonna put a little up here too. I'm gonna take a clean brush now and just blend everything in together. And bam, got your eyeshadow. And now I'm gonna apply some mascara, and I'm gonna use their Fan Effect mascara, GUILTeyes, and it's called, oh, it's number 100, Black Envy. And it looks like this. So let's see how this goes. Next, I'm gonna apply some lashes because it always gives your look a wow effect. So I will always recommend when you're doing festivals or like big parties to add some extra fake lashes. I don't use tweezers to apply my lashes, but if you really want to do that, if you're new at this, then I would recommend you doing that. But I use my fingers because I'm just so used to doing it. So I'm just gonna apply it in the middle first. Push it down, hold it a little bit. To finish up with my lashes, I'm gonna apply a black pencil line inside my waterline on top to blend my lashes in more so it looks more natural. And I'm gonna be using this kohl pencil, long lasting, called Midnight Black, number 100. And it looks like this. And I just pull up my eye here. I draw the line in quick. Need to blink and take a break, do that. You can already see a difference between the eyes. Oh yes, ready. Oh no, I need more mascara. And now I'm gonna do lips, one of the final steps. I'm gonna be using a lip liner and a matte liquid lipstick. I'm gonna use their lip liner, and it's called Miriam, number 503. I always draw my lips a little more to make them look a little more, I don't know, a little bigger. I start here, and then I have like a shadow. It looks like it is my lip here, but it's actually like a shadow. Should I do this? You don't see it. So I just follow that pretty much. And I might go a little under and up. And now I'm going to apply the liquid lipstick, Matte Devotion, and it's called Unconditional. And it looks like this. And it's very smooth and soft, like it's really nice. It's not too heavy like some lipsticks are, where it's already cracking your skin. And then you have your lips done. And now to add a little more glow to the look and add some finishing touches, I'm gonna add a little bit more of the highlighter, a few places on my face. You should never do, and so many YouTubers are doing this. They put this highlighter on the right here on your nose and you look like Rudolph. So please stop doing that. So don't do that. I mean, do it, but don't do it. And so I put it like right here, just here. Don't put it there, here. Because on camera and on pictures, it's gonna look so weird. And I know some people like it, and I don't know why some people do it or taught this. But in the real makeup world, you don't do that. So for a real festival look, you need to have some gems or anything sparkly in your face. It's very in and it's a typical festival look. I did wear it myself at Coachella this year. So I'm gonna apply that as I did when I was there, over my brow. So I have these small gems here and I'm just gonna apply above my brows. I'm just scared of, there we go. And it's done. Pretty. For the finishing touch, I'm gonna use their Fix Spray to set my whole look, and it will make my makeup last longer. So it's definitely a must. It's their Perfectitude matte and fix spray, and it looks like so. So this is the finished look. This is a very chic festival look that I feel like everyone can pull off. It's bringing that extra twist while still being subtle, and I really do hope you guys liked it. Like, I love this look, and I'm definitely going to try to do this and create it again for next year when I'm going to Coachella. If you really liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to L.O.V's YouTube channel. There will be a new video out each week, and if you want to keep up with that and get the notifications, press that bell button and you won't miss it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to love yourself. I'm Sissel, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Until then,